Hey there, thanks for watching my Clicko review by Jason Fulton. If you guys are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. I'm Susie. I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today. This review is based on my honest opinion of actually logging into the dashboard myself. And today we purchased this product so that I could take you with me as I research this platform, the strategy they would like you to use, and any problems that I see with it. If you guys find value in this video, please hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Now let's take a look at what Clicko promises us. They are a new breakthrough. This $1.8 trillion loophole pays them whenever someone clicks. In 59 seconds, insta-blast any link with never-ending free buyer traffic, which makes them $30 every time someone clicks. They are guaranteed money, even if nobody buys anything. And on the right, they tell us some more wonderful things about free autopilot traffic in 59 seconds flat, 24/7 Clicko traffic, where they get paid while they are sleeping. It's 100% passive. You can let it run on autopilot, and this is going to be your fast track to the laptop lifestyle. So they are very careful in here to say makes them and they are guaranteed. They never say that you will actually make $30 every time, and they actually don't tell you how they do that either, but I will. So let's take a look in the dashboard. When you come in, you have the general statistics, how many websites, the total number of videos and visits, and then different lists of your websites that you have. On the front end, you can make 5 websites. So far, I've made 2, and we'll make another one together. First thing you do is come in and look at your tutorials. They have a Clicko full training, which is 10 minutes and 24 seconds. But if you need Clicko quick training, they're going to save you about 2 minutes and give you the 8-minute version. I just thought that was kind of funny. I wanted to share that with you. Next thing you would want to do is come to Clicko sites. We would definitely want to make a new site, and you'll fill this out like you do with everything else. Just answer the questions that it asks. Give it a name. Here in your website description, I would highly recommend that you stuff this with keywords and a detailed description of your niche. This is how any website ranks on Google. And this is a video website creator, and it doesn't have any articles because it's got videos in it. So you'll need any words you can in here to help with any slight possible chance of this website ranking on Google. And if you stick with me, you'll see why I don't think that's going to happen. Here you would put a footer description. I would say you want to put a disclaimer and maybe some of your own terms of service, because there's nowhere else for you to put any kind of information like that in this website except right here. So make sure you fill this out properly. You have the option to change the website logo, and here's where you create new categories. Your category title is going to be what your page is about. Next, you would enter the keyword that you want to search your videos for. They do tell you that these are common creative videos, which means you should be able to use them. So if we put in passive money online and search, it will pull up all of the YouTube videos associated with that keyword. If we scroll, they do pop up quite a few videos. And in the training, they just go through here and add every video they see. I recommend you preview the video and you make sure that you know what's on there, you like what they're saying. Anytime you put your logo, your business name on anything, you need to know what you're putting out. So make sure these videos say what you want them to say and represent what you want your brand to say. I chose a few videos and we'll save changes. You can create as many categories as you would like. We'll create a second one and search different videos. You can see the videos I just previously searched all pop up in the top. So to avoid duplicates, you would need to know what you're putting out. Take a look at it. Make sure you do this properly. My personal recommendation would be to look at some of these videos, take notes, and make your own videos, and do this yourself on a YouTube channel. It would be much more beneficial to you. But here you would save changes. Your categories do show up here and you could edit them. You have an option to schedule daily videos. And here is where you're going to monetize. So click New Action. You have an option to put in image ads, CTA buttons, buy buttons, opt-in form, a Google AdSense banner, and a Google video ad. Now, I've tried to add this image a couple of times and it wouldn't let me. Oh, they took it this time. Okay, great. Here is where you would put in an affiliate link or a redirect link. So you would already need to have a product in mind that you want to promote, and you would already need an affiliate link for it. So whether you need to get approved for it or not, but you need to have that affiliate link and put that here. They give you an option of where to put the position of this image. I'll put it on the bottom. I can do start, end, or specific time in seconds, and then save. I'm gonna do a few more actions just so we can see what they look like on the videos. So I've got my CTA button filled out. I'll save that one. The last one I'll do is a buy button, and we'll save that one. So now we have all of our monetization actions with our affiliate link at this point, and you will create your Clicko site. Here's the site that we just made together. If we take a look at it, this is the site that Clicko makes. Now we're not quite done yet. As you can see, there's advertisement space that I'm about to walk you through how to put that in. But if we take a look at this is super stretched out, looks kind of weird. And if we click on one of these videos, come in here and click on the video, you can see all of the stuff I put in. Here was my buy button. Here was my call to action button that I put in. And here was the logo button that I put in. So everything you're putting in overlaid on top of this video. It embedded on top of the embedded video. If somebody wanted to and didn't want to have to look through these, they could just click on this and go straight to the YouTube channel and watch the video there. But you can see there's no articles in here. There's no extra words. So it is just a video website. This is just the small one that I put together. If we go back on the dashboard, they do have done for you sites. If you come in, they have 5 different niches already done. You would just click the clone button. If we go back to manage my sites, I've actually already done one with online business. And once you click that clone button, it shows up here. Now we need to get these advertisements in. So back on the dashboard, you would go to banner ads. Here you would choose the website you want to put the advertisements in. This is where they give you the option to put in an AdSense code. If you don't have banners already made, they are giving you an ads builder here. I have seen this in at least 5 to 6 other products that have been released this year alone. And honestly, Canva.com is much better to use and it's free. There's tons of different templates. And if you guys are interested in watching it in action, Kim did do a small video making cool YouTube thumbnails. So feel free to check that out if you want to look at that. Back on the banner ads, you would choose a file and they give you the size you need. You would put in your affiliate link here, or you could do a Google AdSense code. Now, if you remember back on the sales page, it said they make $30 every time someone clicks, even if nobody buys anything. That's where you would put in your AdSense code. But what they don't tell you is if you don't have an AdSense code because you're pretty new to all this, you actually have to be accepted to AdSense. So you put in an application and they approve you. Found this article on reliablesoft.net, and here's some things you need to know before you even apply for an AdSense account. Number 1, like Kim and I always say, read the rules and policies first. You need a content-rich website that adheres to AdSense policies. Make sure that your domain is at least a couple of months old. Specifically, if you are applying for AdSense from the Middle East, China, India, or Pakistan, you may even need a domain that's at least 6 months old. Apply for AdSense after your website receives at least 100 unique visitors per day. You need to have a Google account. You're only allowed to have one personal AdSense account, and if your account is suspended for any reason, you cannot create a new one. And you must be at least 18 years old. So if you don't already have an AdSense code or you need one, this isn't something you're going to be able to do in 59 seconds either. Once you have all of this filled out, with your appropriate advertising, whether it be affiliate link or your AdSense code, you would save. So now we'll take a look at one of the websites I put banners in. We'll take a look at the Done For You site. So you can tell this one's a little different. It's got affiliate marketing and make money online because this one was a Done For You site I cloned. I did go in and put some graphics in so that we could see where all of the advertisements would be. But this is just a jumbled up website full of videos. And it's other people's videos. It's not even your videos. And this one is a clone of a clone. So if anybody else goes in there and does Done For You, they're going to look exactly the same, just with different graphics. Take a look at one of the videos. We click on play. I put my buttons in different places on this site. Here's the Buy Now button and the call to action. This is the one I wasn't actually able to put the logo on for some reason. That is your website. Just a video site with no articles. And this is your URL. Your URL is going to be clickosites.com and then whatever you name this. So it's not going to be branded for your website. You don't own it. If anything happens and this website gets shut down or goes out of business, you lose all of your sites. And next we'll look at the get traffic. Here they give you the option to share on social media platforms where you have to already have a list of people that want to buy from you. This is addtoany.com. You can go get this yourself for free to use it. You don't need Clicko for that. But who is on your Facebook list? Is it family and friends, or is it people ready to buy from you? If people aren't ready to buy from you, this site is not going to make you any money. And if we scroll down, some of these are a little outdated, like MySpace, and some of them don't even make sense. WordPress is a website builder. Evernote is a note-taking app. So they really have just put all of these buttons in here to give you hope. But if you don't have somebody on WhatsApp that wants to buy from you, you will not get any additional traffic or never-ending free buyer traffic or 24/7 traffic at all. The only other option you would have for a website to rank on Google is search engine optimization. If you look on our website, affiliatemarketinginformant.com, Kim has actually put together a really great article on search engine page optimization, and it does have a checklist with it. The ultimate goal of search engine optimization is to rank your content in search engines. We typically talk about Google, but we're also talking about being in Yahoo, YouTube, Pinterest, Quora, even Reddit. And when it comes to search engine page optimization, it is important to optimize all of your words, images, and videos, not just your content, titles, and descriptions. If we look at the 14 steps that she gives us, we have target keywords, at least 2,000 words. Only further down does it recommend embedding a video into your page. It doesn't say embed a ton of videos with no keywords or meta title or meta description or any articles at all. So even if you were to come in here and create your new site and pack this full of keywords and descriptions, your website just isn't going to have enough on it to rank as a typical Google website because this is a video website. So what's the strategy that Clicko is trying to get you to use? They want you to come in here and use this to build yourself a video website with your affiliate links and or AdSense codes embedded all over the banners and on top of the videos that you have put into this website. They then want you to take that and send this website's URL to any current existing customers that you have on any of the social media platforms they give you here, or that it will miraculously rank on Google. Guys, this website doesn't even look that great. It's all jumbled up. Everything's laying on top of everything else. And if we even take a look at the Done For You site that I cloned mine from, their banners down in here look much better than mine. But it's just jumbled. They blend in with the videos. They don't stand out. It doesn't make me want to click anything or even stay on this page for any amount of time. Not to mention, it is against YouTube's terms and conditions to actually monetize somebody else's videos. So if you get caught doing this, you could get into a lot of trouble. Let's take a look at the pricing and the OTOs. When I bought this, we got an email from Sean Ogundele, who is the co-creator of Clicko. And as I scrolled down, I realized that this was the login for his previous product launch, Flix. Now, if you click the link, it goes to the right place, but that just didn't. I was confused. I was very confused. And as I scrolled down, he did the same thing with the rest of his upsells. So these are some of his upsells, and he didn't even change the names on all of them. I wanted to take a look on Munchai. He released that in July of this year. And if we look, this is what Jason Fulton and Sean Ogundele do. They take these products and they release them over and over again and sell them. They don't actually use them to make money. But if we look a little further down, it looks like coming up is going to be Clickits, Checkits, Scratches, Fizz, and Ghosted. But these products are already out. Ghosted, Fizz, Scratches, Checkits, Clickits. He's already made sales on these products. And if we look at his reviews, he doesn't have a great rating. And Flix was also a video website creator. that they launched last month. Here is the pricing as they showed it to us before I bought the product. Shows the front end at $19 through $97. But after I bought the product, I was actually to go through all of the information they sent me, and there are a total of 9, not just the 5 they were showing. You'll see I have 2 prices here. The first one is the price they're charging, and the second one is if you're able to get a coupon. So on the front end, Clicko is $19, or with a coupon $17. Upsell number 1 is unlimited. That one's going to be $47. And guys, if we look at this particular upsell page down here at the bottom, one of the features that they unlocked, besides making this unlimited, is going to be premium support. So with upsell number 1, if you pay them more money, you'll just get a higher level of support. I would think you would want to support everybody at a high level to make this a success. Upsell number 2 is done for you at $297. Upsell number 3 is the automation edition at $47. Upsell number 4 is done for you buyer traffic at $97. Upsell number 5 is the commission maximizer at $47. Upsell number 6 is the license rights at $147. Upsell number 7 is the quote unquote missing code for $97. Upsell number 8 is automated affiliate profits at $77. And upsell number 9 is $37. All total, Clicko could run you anywhere from $906 to $560. Guys, this isn't a new breakthrough and there is no loophole. You're not going to get traffic in 59 seconds with your social sharing button if you don't have any traffic on it. And that will also not get you never-ending free buyer traffic. They make $30 because of their AdSense code. And I don't think this is going to fast track you to the laptop lifestyle anytime soon. Guys, please don't waste your time or your money on Clicko because they will not be giving you any training on how to make this work for you. If you guys are interested in honest, free training to learn ethical ways to make money online, be sure to head down to our instant access link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please give me a like. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to know when the next video comes out. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.